that we are going to discuss here regarding this H1B visa. Just okay, within 6 to 7 minute class is this. So this H1B visa, so what is this all about? It was in news, so उसके बारे में discuss करना है. Because it was in news, Trump suspends H1B visa, other work visas till year end, Indian IT professionals to be hit. So that is we are going to discuss. So the thing is first we need to understand what is this H1B visa program is all about. So basically this H1B visa is a non-immigrant visa. First we need to understand this H1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows US companies to employ foreign workers in the specialty occupation that require theoretical or some technical expertise, for example some bachelor degree or some other degree that is required. First we need to understand what is meaning by this non-immigrant visa. So there are two types of visa is there. One is immigrant visa, another is non-immigrant visa. Immigrant visas are those who are willing to remain in the US for permanently, correct? Those who want to get the US citizenship or for permanent purpose. And non-immigrant visa is a temporary visa. That means they are basically for those who just willing to go there to work and then return back to their own country. For example, for the medical purpose, for the tourism purpose, for other own purpose. That is non-immigrant visa. So first important for prelims purpose we need to understand this. Ki H1B visa actually it is non-immigrant visa. It is not an immigrant visa, it is a non-immigrant visa, and it is allow US companies to employ foreign workers. And most of the Indian IT professionals that go to the US on H1 visa, okay, जो भी IT professionals are, because in US Indian IT companies are working like Wipro, like TCS, and for example Infosys, and these companies they hire actually Indians. So that is the reason is it is most important for the Indian IT professionals. That is the importance of this visa is. Then how to get this H1 visa, that is also important. So basically this companies actually होते हैं, companies they tell US government that they need some visas to certain specialized roles. These companies they tell the US government that they need some visas for certain special roles, and then these companies they promise that the new workers under the program they will not be given salaries less than the American counterparts, because if they are giving salaries less than the American counterparts, then this H1B visa it will work just like an incentive, because these companies they can hire okay professionals from other countries, and then they will going to give them less salary compared to the American counterparts. So American they are not going to hire American workers, so definitely it is going to hit the USA employment. Because of that this is a condition that they should not be paid less than the American counterpart. Another condition is this foreign workers they will not be adversely affect the working condition of other workers also, because if they are, because US government is willing to give them this permission. So that is the reason is these foreign workers they should not adversely affect the working condition of other workers. That is the importance of this is. So first we need to already understood this thing ki what is this H1 visa is. It is non-immigrant visa, that is understood. Next is what is the roots of H1 visa, from where it came actually. H1 this term, from where this term H1B came. Actually this H1B visa it is a United States visa under the Immigration and Nationality Act, and it has roots in the earlier issue H1 visa. Earlier it used to be the H1 visa. Earlier यहाँ पे H1B visa नहीं था. Earlier it used to be the H1 visa, and this H1 visa actually it got split into two types, H1A and H1B. ध्यान रखना, it got split into. So earlier actually we were having this H1 visa, and this H1 visa has been split into H1A and H1B visa. This H1A actually it is for the nurses, and H1B this is for the business. So this H1B is one of the most popular visa for foreigners visiting US for the business or the trade purpose. Correct? This is the root of that particular visa. Now the thing is that what is the duration? Basically this H1 visa this is issued for 3 years. Basically this H1 visa it is issued for the 3 years, but definitely the time period can be increased to 6 years also. So what is the duration? 3 years, but it can increase to the 6 years also. Another important why quickly USA is issuing this. What is the benefit USA is getting from this H1 visa? So basically क्या था कि it was intended to help the American firms deal with the labor shortage and rapidly growing jobs, because American firms जो भी थी they were not getting talent there in USA, and because just to help them USA government started this H1B visa. Correct. So ऐसा नहीं है कि they are doing this out of charity. No, it was actually intended to help American firms to deal with this shortage of rapidly growing jobs. Correct. Now what is the fees? तो फाइलिंग फी ओके फॉर दिस H1 वीजा इज पेड बाय द एम्प्लॉयर. ध्यान रखना, दिस द फी फॉर H1 वीजा इट इज पेड बाय द एम्प्लॉयर ओनली. करेक्ट, एम्प्लॉयर इज गोइंग टू पे, नॉट द एम्प्लॉई, नॉट द एम्प्लॉई. और देयर विल बी सम H1 स्पॉन्सर होंगे, दे आर गोइंग टू पे द फीस. बेसिकली फी जो होती है वो आपकी रेंज होती है फ्रॉम $1570 टू $3075. Again, this number is not important. So first important, who can apply this H1 visa? Only employer or companies can apply. Individual cannot apply for that H1 visa. So ध्यान रखना, individual cannot apply for an H1B visa. Only the company is hiring them, they can actually apply. अब ये कब इशू होता है, when actually this issue? So ध्यान रखना, each year actually on 1st April, ध्यान रखना, each year on 1st April a fresh cap for H1B visa application is opened by the US Citizenship and Immigration Service. Every year on 1st April they used to issue. Correct. So every year actually USA, ऐसा नहीं है कि unlimited visa they can issue ना. Every year there is a cap is there, they can issue around 65,000 visa every year. 65,000. But ऐसा नहीं कि only 65,000, it can increase also. So with a master's exception of 20,000 visa also. So total actually USA used to issue 85,000 this H1B visa. Correct. And one more thing, अगर क्वेश्चन आता है कि whether there is a quota, any quota is there or not, or any cap is there for particular country, कि from India only this much number of H1 visa can be issued, from other China this much, no. So ध्यान रखना, there is no quota for any country. Please be careful here. There is no quota system for any country. That means one country can actually hire as much as possible. But there is one only limit is there, that is 6,800 limit has been given. Total of 6,800 is usually set aside. इतना क्या होता है, फिक्स है कि for example 85,000 visa is going to be issued, then 6,800 they are kept aside for two countries basically. Which are the two countries? They are Singapore and another is Chile. These two countries के लिए. Now the question is why these two countries के लिए especially the 6,800 are actually kept aside? Because as part of their free trade agreement between these countries. So as part of the free trade agreement, 6,800 are put for those countries only. Correct. अब ये है कि क्वेश्चन में कि इंडिया को कितना वीजा मिलता होगा इंडिया को. तो एक रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से अगर हम रिपोर्ट देखें, बिटवीन 2007 to 2017, in this 10 years, in the 10 years USA actually issued around total 34 lakh एप्लीकेशंस फॉर H1B वीजा. कितना इशू किया, वो टोटल रिसीव हुआ 34 लाख एप्लीकेशन ओके यूएसए को मिले ओके फॉर दिस H1B वीजा, जिसमें इंडिया का अलोन एप्लीकेशन था 21 लाख. सी, तो मेजर चंक ऑफ एप्लीकेशन दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया ओनली. Even in one of the analysis it was found that for example in 2014, for example total 65,000 visa was issued, total 65,000. Out of that 65,000 visas, 21,750 visas they were taken by India only. So see, around majority of the visas they are going to India only. First number पे H1B visa they actually received getting by Indian professionals only. Second number पे आपका आता है China, okay, then South Korea है, Canada है. These countries used to come later. One more thing, whether this H1B visa holder they are allowed to bring their spouse and children or not. So this इसके लिए आपको ध्यान रखना है कि yes, this जो H1B visa holder होंगे they are definitely allowed. They are allowed to bring, okay, they are allowed to bring their spouses and the childrens. Okay, and the childrens okay, they must be under 21 years old, under 21 years age to the US. But they will not come under this H1B visa. These children and spouse they will come under H4 visa category. Correct. The children will come under this children or spouse will come under H4 visa category. But ध्यान रखना, this however in this H4 visa holder they are not allowed to work in the US. ऐसा नहीं कि spouse and children they came and spouse start working in USA. No, जो भी H4 visa holder होंगे they are not allowed to work in USA. These things also we need to understand. अब उसके बाद क्या है कि इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा, बिकॉज रिसेंटली ये न्यूज था कि यूएसए इज प्लानिंग टू कर्ब ऑन दिस H1B वीजा. इसका इम्पैक्ट होगा worst hit by the new H1B visa bill will be on Indian companies only such as Infosys, TCS and Wipro. Okay, or as well as US tech giants like Apple, Facebook, Google, who use this H1 visa to fill positions that cannot be filled by American workers, because American में that much of talent is not available. Because of that, they used to hire the talent from other countries. और इसका एक benefit ये भी है कि they used to hire this talent at the lesser cost, okay, because if they are hiring the American worker there, they are very costly, and because of that also they used to hire the this China workers from the China or from the India, because they are less costly. So India has been only the country that takes around 70% of 85,000 H1 visa applied annually, and H1B visa is crucial for the IT sector in India. इसका और क्या impact होगा इंडिया पे? Remittance can be going to be reduced, because अभी जितने भी इतने सारे maximum people they used to go to the work in USA, and वहां से they used to bring the dollar to India. तो definitely, because अगर ये कर्व हो जाएगा, then that much of Indian professional they cannot work under this H1B visa, so they will going to lose job there. They need to come to another country, or they need to come to India. So remittance will going to be reduced. That is also one problem can be faced by India on the economic point of view. So this is all about the H1B visa. Okay, explanations. Thank you, everyone.